Okay, in this lesson, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get your progress check print title block ready to turn in. Refer to your rubric to see what you're being graded on. The first thing what we're going to do is we're going to go to our floor plan, and I want to see a nice clean view. I don't want to see any of these messy dimensions for now until we make them good. So let's right click, select all instances in view, and let's just hide the element. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go down to Sheets at the bottom here in your project browser, right click, and we're going to do New Sheet. You're going to hit Load, go down to Title Blocks, and load 11 by 17. Once you see it here in your sheets, you're going to open it up. We're going to take and go back up to our floor plan, and we're going to set our floor plan scale to 1/8 of an inch equals a foot so that it will fit in our title block. It doesn't look like it does anything, but when I go down here to my sheets, I open it up. There's my sheet, and we're simply going to take and drag and drop a copy of that there. And I should see a nice, clean copy of your floor plan with your scale so that I could check it. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go back to your floor plan, and we're going to insert a camera view into your kitchen so I can see your kitchen. So pick a point where I can see most of your kitchen. I'm going to click and go here. If you didn't do a very good job like I did, you could just simply crop what you could see. And I want to see all your kitchen. I want to be able to see the ceiling that you should have in your kitchen along with the rest of your house. Now, when you make this, if we drag and drop this into our title block, it's going to be too large. Let's go up here to size crop. We're going to change it to scale locked proportion so that when we scale it, it scales it proportionally when we change our width. And we're just going to change this to 4 inches. Apply. Okay, the next thing I like to do is come over here and see the one that's bolded. See how I have 14 different 3D views? Just so I don't get confused, I'm going to rename this to kitchen view and hit OK. And so now when I come down here to my title block and I go up to my 3D view of my kitchen and I drag and drop it right there, I have a nice 3D view of my kitchen so that I could check to make sure you have everything in and everything's orientated correctly. The last thing we're going to do is go to our 3D view, and you're just going to click on the house, and I want to be able to see your foundation, your roof, and all your wall styles and everything. So the scale we're going to change this to is 1/16 of an inch equals a foot, and this will just allow it to fit in. Hit apply. It doesn't look like it does anything, but when I go to my sheet and I drag and drop in this 3D view right here, I could fit in this one down here as well. And if this for some reason has a box around it, remember you could go here to your crop region and get rid of that, okay? Once I am ready to print, I'm going to come here to my title block. I'm going to just put your name in here, so I would put Mr. Tosh for this one. You would put your name, and let's call it HBH, Habitat for Humanity House. And we could go in, you put the date, today is the 1st, and put your name again, put my name here, and let's just put CEA, capital CEA, Civil Engineering Architecture, right there. All right, once you have your title block filled in, what you're going to do is come up here to print. And whatever printer comes up is the correct one. Mine's different because I'm in a different room right now, but you're going to hit Properties, and we're going to go to our paper quality, and you're going to change it to 11 by 17, okay, and then you're going to hit okay, and that will print. You're going to go collect it, fold it in half, and then give it to me, and I will give you a grade for this. Please make sure you check the rubric to see that you have everything before you print it and turn it in.